Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
In a bullish situation, AMP could, in every practical sense, outperform the $656 mark for 2050, displaying kind of possible vertical energy, or so they explicitly thought. The cost of 1 AMP would essentially reach as high as $119 by 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP basically is as of now evaluated at $952 on the lookout, which most certainly is genuinely critical. There, in every practical sense, is truly potential for AMP. Cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as fundamentally high as $755 toward 230 in a for the most part significant manner's end. AMP by and large is expected to in a real sense arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $462 constantly 2040 in an unpretentious manner. Starting around the walk 2024 AMP basically is exchanging at $52 in term of its OIST rate with a value change of 27% in most recent 1 hour in a quite huge manner. AMP has a very all-out market cap of $219,794.50 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1440,751, which fundamentally is very critical. This explicitly makes AMP especially positioning at 282 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of enormous manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the AMP cost expectation end of 2024, what will AMP be somewhat worth in 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. Is AMP a fundamentally wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2024, which by and large is very huge? Will AMP cost outperform its record-breaking high, which truly is very huge? These by and large are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, or so they for the most part thought. AMP value expectation 2024 as per the AMP figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the AMP cost truly is supposed to cross a normal value level of $971, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of AMP toward the finish of. The truly current year ought to sort of be $69, showing that these truly are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, AMP can basically arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $83. AMP value gauge walk 2024 the exceptionally normal cost of AMP could sort of go to $56 toward the finish of walk 2024, which explicitly is very huge. AMP could explicitly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $57 with the base expected cost of $51, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. AMP value figure April 2024. In April 2024 the cost of AMP certainly is gauged to for the most part be at around a by and large least worth of $56, or so they in a real sense thought. The AMP value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $6 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $58 in ESD, which generally is very critical. AMP value estimate May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of AMP is supposed to especially be at around an extremely least of $957, showing how especially is AMP a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. AMP cost can explicitly arrive at a limit of $63 with the essentially normal cost of $16 USD, so AMP buy and L. ARG is expected to explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $462 continuously 2040 in a fundamentally significant manner. AMP value gauge June 2024 the in every practical sense, normal cost of AMP could truly go to $61 toward the finish of June 2024, which certainly is genuinely critical. AMP could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $66 with the by and large least expected cost of $59. AMP value figure July 2024. In July 2024 the cost of AMP in a real sense is determined to really be at around a very least worth of $6 in an unobtrusive manner. The AMP value worth can especially arrive at a limit of $69 with the very normal exchanging worth of $63 in ASD, or so they in every way that really matters thought. AMP value conjecture August 2024. The AMP cost for August 2024 may really arrive at a truly least worth of $62, while the extremely greatest squad cost basically is around $72, showing how AMP value gauge August 2024. The AMP cost for August 2024 may explicitly arrive at a genuinely least worth of $62, while the truly greatest estimated cost is around $72 in an unpretentious manner. The especially normal cost for AMP in every practical sense is truly anticipated to sort of reach $64 in August 2024 in a huge manner. AMP value conjecture September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of AMP is truly anticipated to sort of arrive at a kind of typical cost of $66, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $75 and an extremely least of $64, which truly is very critical. AMP value conjecture October 2024. The AMP estimate for October 2024 expects that the AMP may generally arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $77 with a base cost of around $66, which for the most part is very critical. Discussing the in every way that really matters, normal value AMP can sort of stretch around $68 for October, which truly is genuinely critical. AMP value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of AMP explicitly is supposed to sort of be at around a truly least of $68 in an unpretentious manner. AMP cost can truly arrive at a by and large limit of $1 with the typical cost of $7 in the US in a significant way. AMP value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024, AMP cost basically is gauged to truly arrive at a flat-out least cost of $69 in a quite large manner. The AMP cost could, in every way that really matters, arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $3 with the kind of typical expected cost around $71. So AMP cost can truly arrive at a sort of limit of $81 with the genuinely normal cost of $7 in USD incredibly. AMP essentially. Past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been really diminished by 171% in its truly current worth, exhibiting how AMP value estimate October 2024. The AMP conjecture for October 2024 expects that the AMP might arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $77 with a by and large least cost of around $66 in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. In the event that we by and large look at the truly current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down in an unpretentious way. From kind of most recent 7 days, the AMP truly was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 832% in an unobtrusive manner. AMP sort of has shown areas of strength for commonly potential of late, and this could be especially great chance to basically dive right in and contribute. So the AMP cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $83